So here's where I'm at, check. I gotta fix it yet, because it's not right. There's a gap. This is higher than this. Should be flush. It's all welded up. This is off a little bit. It's driving me nuts. Looks okay. If you stare at it long enough, you'll notice it is wrong. This looks like shit, but I'll fix that with body filler. Still have to weld all that up. Maybe weld a little ledge on this or a mud flap laying around here somewhere. And this, I started sanding and it started chewing away little bites. So that sucks. This isn't right, this profile here. And we gotta go around here, rust. Rust up there. Rust there. So much pitting, it's so bad. There's body filler stuck in there. And we got more rust. It needs to be fixed. Up there. This fucking sucks. So sick of working on this fucking car. Yeah, there we go. And then we got some more rust in here. But we're gonna ignore that until it's a huge problem. So in here, you can see the rust is coming through. Put some chemicals on there to help mitigate it, but I don't know. I was really fighting myself getting out here. Did not want to work on the car. Here, let's see. That one seems, I'm okay with that. Problem is when you come down here, you can see the gap. It's fucking annoying. This is good. I'm okay with that. I mean, there's a gap on the door. I can adjust the door. I can unadjust this. This sucks. Anyway, that's my rant.